Hey there, Stephanie here. I have been talking about the YouTube channel. I send you over to the video library. I want you to look at all that great information we have over there. We have the talk shows, we have recorded learning opportunities, we have some short videos. There's a ton of information there. I want to walk you through just a couple of quick tips on how to use YouTube so that it works best for you. So, the first thing I want to point out is that you are actually able to change the speed of playback, that you can make it faster or slower depending on your preference of how you want to view the video. I actually use this a lot when I'm listening to audiobooks. I can listen a little bit faster to save a little bit of time when I'm getting close to the end when my library book might be due back. It's something where if you have a little bit less time than you expected, you can speed me up a little bit and get through a little bit more content. One other thing we do in all of our YouTube videos is chapter them. So we actually label what the content is when we're talking about it, and there's markers along the right-hand column like you see on your screen, or along the playback bar. You can see lines where it's divided where the chapters are marked. So if there's specific information you're looking for, you can just skip straight to that part. Or if there's something you want to skip over and get on to the next topic, you can skip over that part as well. We also caption all of our videos. If you turned on the closed captioning, the CC button that you see here on the bottom of the screen, that will actually turn on the captions for the video. So if it helps you to read while listening, or if you prefer to read, that's your best way of learning. That's an option that is there in all of our videos. If you would prefer to have those captions in a language other than English, you can actually choose auto caption in the menu, and there are hundreds of languages that are options for the captions through YouTube. So I hope these tips help you use YouTube better and you continue to learn with us. Have a great day.